Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, we're going to make yeast rolls, and we're going to use instant yeast. Now, I want to talk to you about yeast for a minute. There's active yeast and there's instant yeast. The instant yeast that we're going to use doesn't have to be proofed. You can put it right in with the warm liquid and it is set to go. So make sure that you have instant dry yeast for this particular recipe. So let's get mixing it now. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, where I teach you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking that you can share with your family and friends. Now, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so that you can be alerted to all new videos. So let's get into today's recipe. Okay, so we're going to add our yeast. Put our yeast in, and to that I'm going to use 1 cup of milk. Now our milk is at 110 to 120 degrees. You don't want it too hot. If you get it over 140, it's going to kill the yeast. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. Now I took and I sprayed my cup with a little bit of cooking oil so that honey comes out real nice and easy. So we take that. Okay, to that I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of melted butter. One egg. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now this is going to take 2.5 to 3 cups of flour. So we're going to add in 1 cup of flour. Let that mix. Then we'll add our 2nd cup. Then we add our 3rd cup. And then we're going to let this mix until it comes to a nice ball. Okay, now it's come to a nice ball. We're going to take our dough hook off. There we go. And it's come out to, you can see it's into a nice ball now, and we're going to divide that. Okay, now I'm going to take my pan and give it a little bit of spray of cooking oil. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a floured surface and take my dough and put it out on my surface here. And then I'm just going to give that a little, just roll in the flour a little bit just so that it doesn't stick to my hands that greatly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this with my dough scraper. I'm going to divide this into 12. I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, and there I have them in my pan, and we're going to just take and cover them up and let them rise for about 20 to 30 minutes before we put them in the oven to bake them. And here's our dinner rolls out of the oven. Go and cook something great, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.